A meeting with the leaders of the three autonomous district councils of the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo Hills was held on the 24th of June 2022 to discuss on the closure of illegal toll gates across the state. Speaking on the issue, Cabinet Minister Lakmin Rimbu informed that the state government's point of contention is for all toll gates along the national and state highways and state roads have to be closed with immediate effect, since such gates have not been empowered by law to collect toll along these routes. To this, Rimbu further informed that the autonomous district councils of Khasi and Jaintia Hills, who had also expressed their constraints to the state government authorities, at the same time had agreed to its order of closure of such toll gates that are within the purview of the district councils.
Today, our Honorable Chief Minister has called a meeting with the Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council and the Khasi Hills Autonomous Council regarding one issue only. That issue is the toll gate of these councils in different part of the respective districts. So in that meeting, we have decided that all the toll gate in the highway, state highway or state road should be closed down immediately, and this council could come with a proposal where to check, how to check, in what form, so that then the government will examine. We didn't question the authority of this council to collect tax on its jurisdiction, but on highway, state road, it is not empowered to do, so they have to close down immediately. So the Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council and the Khasi Hills Autonomous Council also have agreed to do that.
Now, how many such gates of the two district councils are there along the national highways and state roads?
I didn't have the data of how many there, but there are also many check gate belong, who keep permission, I don't know, to SAM or to different HIMAS and all. So I didn't have the figure with me, but all those type of gate which set up along the state road, national highway and state highway, they should have closed down immediately.
So the district council had earlier said, but they do need check gates in certain areas to check foresting and all, and to collect revenue for the council. Was that point mentioned?
The point have been mentioned. Nitty-gritty of what we have mentioned, I don't want to divulge much, but the outcome of the meeting is that all the toll gate, because if that this council gate or a forest gate, that is the in office, bit office, that is different altogether. I'm talking about the different toll gate in the state of, in these two respective district of the state.
Ma, for how long have the two district councils operate, these so-called illegal gates?
I don't have the record with me since when they started. Our point of contention is that any collection on the state highway, state road and national highway is not empowered by the law. They should be closed down immediately.
So in case the district council comes up with a proposal, are they, with the sanction of the state government, are they allowed to have such check gates?
That we'll have to examine. I cannot say right now, because whatever procedure to be done and to see if it is empowered by the law. We cannot go beyond the law. It is only through the empowerment of the law. If they come out within the parameter of the law, then we will surely examine from the state.
So such order was issued before also, but of course that didn't materialize. Any time frame given by when it should all be closed down?
They should close immediately. And if not district administration will take necessary action.